Honorable Minister for Women and Child Development to kindly deliver the inaugural address. Over to you, ma'am.
Thank you. I'm joined today from the National Capital by Secretary Sports and Secretary Youth Affairs. And to all those who have joined us today, a very, very happy Women's Day. The fact that you are particularly on the occasion of International Women's Day launching a PE and community coaching program for women teachers is a cause for celebration and much credit to the Sports Authority of India and the team of sports lovers across the country. I am today joined by well-meaning officers who have dedicated themselves to not only the cause of women but also the cause of sports. And today, for our August platform, to pay tribute to the potential of Indian women in sports, as Minister of Women and Child Development, I here commit to the following. The Honorable Prime Minister started the Beti Bachao Beti Padhao program to bring much dignity to the girl child. A program that is dedicated to encouraging young girls not only in the sector of education but also furthermore strengthening their capacity so that they can exponentially recognize and realize their potential as entrepreneurs, as leaders in our country. And it is with much pride that when I look at the Khelo India program, I am today buoyed by the fact that there has been a 161% increase in female participation in Khelo India when you look at the comparative figures from 2018 onwards to 2020. The fact that in the year 2018 you had identified close to 657 female participants in Khelo India and the number decidedly rose by 223% tells us that there is much that we can still do in the field of sports for women, for young girls, and this can fructify under the vision of our Honorable Prime Minister. But what of sports if we do not look at nutrition for young girls and women? And today, in collaboration, and if decided so by the Ministry of Sports and Ministry of Youth Affairs, we would like to commit ourselves to better nutritional possibilities to women in sports. Additionally, when you look at women in sports, I would also request the Ministry of Youth Affairs and the Ministry of Sports to look at partnerships in new arenas of sport under the Beti Bachao Beti Padhao program, where we, in collaboration with the Sports Authority of India, can look at better training prospects, can look at recognition of local talent, can help girls with training kits and facilities so that a combined and sustained effort between our ministry can strengthen possibility for women in sports. But what of the female teachers who join us today? I am told that a total of, till the 7th of March 2021, a total of 9,344 women PE teachers and coaches have signed up for the program courtesy the Ministry of Sports. To you, ladies, I say this. Many have been inspired in their schooling days by women leaders who are academic and sporty in nature. And it is in you that the future lies for women in Indian sports. You will take forward the cause not only for young girls but help fulfill their aspirations. Today, as I join in the celebration, I recognize that there are many achievements by leading Indian female athletes. In the last 1 month, we have the indomitable Vinesh Phogat, Sarita Moore, Kirti Gupta, Pooja in para-archery, Jyoti Balyan, Ankita Rena, Simran in para-athletics, Priyanka Goswami. There are many such young women who have become trailblazers in the field of sports, and I'm hopeful that those women teachers who join us today will give wings to many more in the times to come. Yet again, my gratitude to the Ministry of Sports, to both the Secretary of Sports and Youth Affairs and Director, Sports Authority of India, for enabling women, enabling them as coaches, enabling them as leaders, enabling them as inspiration. Once again, congratulations and all the best for a better, brighter future for Indian women in sports.